Who is calling? Oh no, it's the bus. It's stuck in the mud. Bus, hold on. I'll be right there. The bus can't break free. It's sinking deeper. Let me see. It's because the mud is too sticky. Let's pull the bus up. Hey! Push harder. I have to go down and help. We successfully rescued the bus. What happened to the bus? Oh, it's the sun's fault. Don't worry, Bush. We'll help you clean it. Look, the excavator is helping too. Only this last bit left. It's broken. What should we do? Luckily, the excavator has a new tire. Please lift the bus up. Let's replace the tire. Just throw away the bad tire. Put on this new tire. Tighten it a little. It's done. The excavator can put the bus down. You can drive it and see. It's all right now. Drive carefully.